Hello everyone, today I am doing a shortened version of my how to save multiple files in Lightroom at one time video as requested by a lot of people in the comment section. So I'm going to try and keep this to under 2 minutes today, and I'm going to get straight to it. So as you can see below, I have one file highlighted in my film strip down below in the bottom left corner here, and whenever I click on it, it's highlighted, which means that I can export it. So because it's highlighted, I could go up here and start to export it. But because we're gonna export multiple photos in Lightroom, and by export I mean save, that's the word that Lightroom uses for save, I want more of these to be highlighted. So I want all of these to be highlighted because I want them all to be saved and exported. So I'm going to go to the beginning of my gallery. I am going to click on the first photo in that gallery to make sure that it is highlighted, and then I'm going to toggle to the very end, hold down the shift key, and then click the last photo, which means that all of these photos are highlighted and they're all ready to be saved. If you're looking for a keyboard shortcut with that, on a Mac it's Command A to highlight all of those photos. So since they're all highlighted, I'm going to go up here to File. I'm going to click Export. As you can see, there's no save, just export. Opens up this little box right here, and at the very top it says export 148 files, which is great because I want to save all of those at one time and not have to do it individually. So I'm not going to go through all of these different things right here, but make sure that you check where those files are being exported, how they're being named, what the settings are, image sizing, sharpening, all that kind of stuff. And then once all of that looks good, click export, and you will be able to save all of those files at one time in whatever folder of your choice. So thanks so much for listening, and I hope that was short and helpful.